In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to unmute Instagram notes and fix can't-see notes. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First, notes on Instagram only appear when you follow the person and they follow you back. So if the notes are not showing, it could be because one of you is no longer following the other. If you are sure you still follow each other, then the issue is almost always that their notes are muted. To fix this, navigate to your profile page. Now head over to the section following. Now head over to the profile of the person whose notes are missing. Now click on the option following. Then click on the option mute. Over here, you'll see whether you have muted their post, stories or notes. If notes is turned on, simply uncheck it. Now head back to your Instagram messages and their notes would appear instantly again. That's all you need to do to unhide or unmute someone's Instagram notes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.